G'day crew, it's Zoe the Video Confidence Coach here on this weird video. Yes, it is a vlog. I don't always do a lot of vlogs, minus the hashtag No Small November stuff that we did in 2018. This is a little bit different. So this is just a quick vlog to show you the power of networking and such. Now, I'm talking specifically to business owners here, but for anyone who's watching on YouTube who wants to be a YouTuber themselves, I highly recommend networking with other YouTubers, collaborating and such with other people in your niche. I'll explain that later, and working with others in that general area. Like today, we're going to go to a workshop specifically around YouTube algorithms and how we can work with them and blah, 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 blah. But I'm mainly going for the networking possibilities, so I can meet other local YouTubers in my area, see if any of them could help you guys and help inform you guys of something, and then maybe be able to have them collaborate with me. Or vice versa, and I can teach them a little bit more about video to help improve their game. So let's move on to the vlogging portion. Just a note, the audio is going to be a bit bad because we are out and about, not in a beautiful studio like we are now.
Everyone to hear the conversation. That's why I went out to stuff.
All done. But guess what I got? Woo! There was a lot of fruit left over from the fruit platter. So what I'm going to do is cut all these up, put them into individual jars, put sugar on top, and make sugar syrups out of them for totally non-alcoholic reasons. Yes. Thank you for engaging with me today. If you found this video helpful in any way, feel free to subscribe and comment below for any questions or queries that you have. Or if you just want to tell me I did a good job, you can do that too. I always like a bit of praise. Feel free to find the Video Confidence Coach on all of these social media platforms. Or you can check out our podcast. Yes, we do have one of those. And it's like named something really simple called like the Do Video Podcast. As in like we get you to do video and show you the power of video and all that cool stuff. So if you found today's vlog interesting, or if you like the people that collaborated, well, unwillingly, but the people who popped in it from the local Geelong YouTube community, feel free to stop by. Bye guys.